Very good evening, everyone. We are waiting for people to join. Yeah, very good evening. I see one person is joined. So I request please type your name using the chat box. So the purpose of today's video is to know some basic facts about a data science specialization. So where we see most of the people say data science, I want to do data science specialization, I want to do masters in data science. So even I have this question in my mind when I see a lot of people say that we have huge number of placements in data science. Then why companies still say we people are not getting excellent data scientists who has very good practical knowledge and who have all the essential certifications, who has all the essential certifications. So my aim is to give you some quality information, even what I experience from various locations. The first question what comes in my mind is data science is really emerging, and is data science open to everyone? So when this question comes in mind, everyone say that yes, you can learn data science without any doubts, but the ground reality is different. So learning data science is not that simple, and even data science is not for everyone. So might be this thing disturbs you a lot. The reason is if you are interested and you are planning to do data science, or even uh, any of your friends, relatives, family members say that I want to do specialization or masters in data science. This video purpose is to clarify some of the doubts which comes in the minds of the people who start data science as their career. So tell me one thing, if you choose data science as your career, you must have these skills in you, which makes your career in a perfect shape. Without any knowledge, without any skill level, you can't start data science. Data science require mathematical skills. Data science require computational skills. I'm not talking about programming only. So how to use a computers in order to solve a complex problem. This kind of skills you must have. Data science require analytical skills. Moreover, when you enroll for data science course in any university or college offered by Andhra Pradesh or any other state in India, the problem is you have some specific subjects which are given by AICTE or the University Board of Education. But the problem is that curriculum really helps you to get the job. There are some universities which are offering this data science as a master's degree, and finally when the student has the degree, lot of questions comes in their mind. What is the next step? Where I go? I attend for an interview with the same people who completed their masters in technology, in applications, in science. Then what is the use of this specialization? Then why I done this data science? Let me tell you one thing. Data science is a special degree which has not only skill level, which also satisfies lots of people needs. First one, a data science degree gives you very good salary compared to a software engineer, developer, or programmer. Learning data science also needs some time because you are not only concentrate on one subject. So data science is multidisciplinary in the sense means you must possess the knowledge of mathematics, statistics, computer science, and finally, the most important one, you must have analytical skills. So, these analytical skills you have to improve of your own. There is no a proper books which will help you how to improve analytical thinking, because this analytical thinking is in every person. A simple example, when you are doing a task, you start thinking about it. Is it the right time? If it is not the right time, then when it should be right to do this one? Who will be benefited? Am I, or my friends, followers, or the surrounding people? Why I am doing this one? So these kind of questioning kind of skills you must have in you. Otherwise, so learning data science become a difficult for you. And another important thing, if you still confident whatever happens, how much difficult the learning path is, even how much effort I have to put, then the next thing is choosing the right platform, in the sense means institute, college, or university. So this is the second step which plays a key role in your learning path. Getting a degree, guys, you all know how people are getting their graduation, post graduation degrees from various colleges and universities around the globe. Getting a degree doesn't mean that you have the sufficient amount of knowledge in the domain. So, coming to data science, you won't need just a degree. There are some platforms which are available who can give you job assistance or job assurance. So, in my view, learning data science from those platforms where you learn not only the skills but also the job assurance. If your college and university is not giving you assurance of job, yes, there is one more thing that we have to think. Okay, one person say that my college gives me the placements, my university offers n number of placements where I can get definitely a job. Okay, if you are from MTech, MCA, or MBA, or BTech, so obviously the software companies are ready to recruit you. But as a data scientist, your job is not to develop softwares. Remember, guys, getting a job in TCS for a data scientist, I mean the student who has a data science degree and he get a job in TCS or Infosys or any software company as a software developer, which means your learning is waste, because you learn data science skills and you are trying to use only development skills. Then what is the use of learning data science? What is the use of spending your effort, money, time, and all these things to become master in data science? When you learn data science, you must work in those companies which are offering you data science orientation jobs. So, my suggestion for all of you, even your friends, family members, and neighbors, ask you that I want to do data science. What can I do? Where I can go? Which college or university is good for them? So please tell them there is some dedicated platforms available in online, like Upgrad. That is going to place in the first place. And then why Upgrad? I'm not saying this was the one and only platform. The reason why we choose this Upgrad is they are collaborating with IIT Madras or IIT Bangalore to design the curriculum. So the subjective knowledge will be given by the professors who are working in the IIT, whereas the practical knowledge is provided by these Upgrad team who actually deploy some data scientists from different environments. It means you take enrollment in data science in a college or university, and there is a subject. Let's take it as a subject was artificial intelligence. Now, whoever professor or the faculty come to teach you the subject, they have the subjective knowledge. Either they refer the book. If there is a subject called as machine learning, same thing is happen. The professor says that I have experience in machine learning. I write these many number of journal papers. I refer these number of books. So my knowledge is sufficient to teach. Okay, all these statements are correct. But when we go with the reality, if you said during your interview, I have the knowledge of machine learning. If the interviewer asks you how many projects you done in machine learning, tell me your project useful for which type of people, which type of problem your your project exactly suits. Now, if you enroll the same thing in a platform, in an online platform like Upgrad, Analytics Vidya, Simply Learn, IBM, and Data Camp. So these are some of the platforms which especially provides you data science learning paths. Now, what is the advantage is if you enroll in any of these platforms, machine learning will be taught by a person who called we are a machine learning specialist. Data analytics will be taught by data analyst. Big data analytics will be taught by a person who has sound knowledge in Hadoop Hive. So directly you can meet the people who are working in the domain. So that is the most important thing. Of course, your professors are good, your textbooks are perfect, but this textbook and professor or university level knowledge is not designed for a data scientist. You do post graduation, you can do MTechs, MScs, even MCA. So these courses are good at university level because the subjective knowledge is enough to understand how a development goes through various phases. But coming to the data science, you need specialization, a proper specialization where you learn directly from the people who has the sound and experience in the domain. So if you want to learn data visualization, a Tableau specialist who has knowledge of designing and implementing various dashboards, they can teach you how to do the data visualization. And a more important thing is the fees or the cost what we people are paying to get the enrollment. Remember, as and now, the average salary of a data scientist is not less than 10 lakhs. You learn data science from your reputed organization or institute or university, and you are also working with the same people who has only development kind of knowledge, and your package is around 5 lakhs or 6 lakhs. then you choose the wrong path. So as a data science, there are a good number of packages are available in online. We even you can refer it. A good number of companies are offering more than 10 lakhs per annum package for data scientists. So my aim is to encourage the people towards the data science, where you go with the right platform, right learning path, without wasting your quality, efforts, and money. So, coming to the last one point, again, I said till now, no institute and no university has that standards to teach data science as a specialization in our state, especially in Andhra Pradesh. The reason is you just has the book level knowledge, that is not sufficient. So you have to go with various analytical projects, and you have to work with live projects and live data, which is not available at university level. Even some people say that you can download the data set from various repositories and work on the data. Let me tell you one thing, guys. Every day we have huge volumes of data generated from various sources. Without knowing this data is meant for what problem analysis, using this data what we can do, so that is not one man's task. So you need an expert advice, you need the people who has the correct skills how to do that analysis. So my suggestion, if you want to become a data scientist, before you take your enrollment, make a comparison between your university and this online platform. How many courses or how many skills you are learning, how many technologies you are learning, how much time it takes, where I am going to be placed, what is the profile of that particular company, how much job assurance I am getting from the university or from this online platform. And even don't think like this. People are say that, "Oh, it's online." Guys, it's only the reason is it makes learning global wise. It doesn't mean that you sit in front of your computer when you likes and you quit out of the screen when you are not interested. That is not the purpose of online. Online makes you globally connected from your place with multiple users who has sound knowledge in the domain and who are working in real time also. So if you want to learn data science, learn from data scientists, not from the professors and not from the books. A data scientist can be become complete when he works with another data scientist, when he learn from a data scientist. So I hope the purpose of going this live will reach at least a group of people who start thinking what actually we have to do. At the same time, I request all the people, so if you have any doubts and queries, so please send your mail to Rahman's Academy VSKP at the rate of gmail.com. and follow my channel, subscribe it. If you like it, then press the bell icon and stay connected with our channel for more updates. Thank you.